Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So let's start with Nifty. We have discussed this already yesterday that only if it meets our level we'll be shorting it. As we already discussed, what happened, market did open down, but what happened, it took a support from the same level and went up. See, same level, that doesn't mean it has to exactly come to your marking and then go up. This can also happen, that is, see, it is taking support from here, it taking resistance from here. So if you see, we can even find a small trend line in this, that is this. Okay, we can keep this as a trend line because all there are more wicks joining, and from above we can see there is a trend line coming from here. Okay, so this is a trend line from above. Okay, many people see it this way too, I see it this way. So I see it only like support and resistance. It's because for me that is what works best. I have extra confirmation, extra edge over it. So this is, so tomorrow's setup. Okay, let's talk into tomorrow's setup. See, market is sideways now. Okay, so what can you do? You have to wait for your level. Okay, here is where people tend to lose a lot of money in this zone. Okay, market is sideways, market is sideways. Why do you want to enter it? After the sideways is passed, enter it. That is more easy, that is more convenience, that is more conviction. You have more conviction on that. Okay, so don't enter any trades here as of now. So try to enter on the levels. Okay, that will be more profitable. On the levels, if you hit one or two stop loss, it's totally fine. See, there is difference between good losses and bad losses, which I'll be covering up very shortly. You should learn to take good losses. Okay, you should really avoid bad losses, so we'll cover that shortly. So this is my plan for Nifty. If it opens anywhere, okay, our levels are still same. If it comes down below 19,660, I'll be shorting it. If it goes above 19,860, I'll be buying it. Okay, my levels are still intact. Let's get into Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, what happened? It did open. Okay, it did open, and it did not survive here. Okay, so it did not survive here at all. 1-2 candles itself, it started going up. Okay, it has to survive here. Only then it is gone. I'm gonna short it. It did come down, but do you see this candle's pressure? The buying pressure under this candle, it's huge. So I did not enter this trade at all. I did not give any stop losses here. So it did come down. The pressure was so huge, it started going up again, and it did not come to our level again. It was on the same place. Market did not move anywhere. It is in the same place. So tomorrow again, what I'm going to do is I'll wait for it to come to my same level so I can short it. Buy, I don't see any buy opportunities, at least for now. If it goes, I can be 100% wrong too. Only if it crosses this level, that's for the same level, only if it crosses 44,380, I'll be looking forward for a buy. Nothing before that. Okay, so next look into US oil. US oil also is the same today, but what happened in 1 hour time, that is in 1 hour time frame, we had this as a resistant which got broken. Okay, which got broken, and it was sustaining here for a long time. I'm telling you, see, this 15 minutes candle was very strong. Okay, this was a strong candle. I entered here, this was my stop loss. It is a big stop loss, so here I played around with my quantity. Okay, I played around with the quantity, so I took a small hit and then I stayed out because my sell is only here, $86. See, then what happened, market came here, it went up. Now it is squeezing itself. Okay, so what can happen tomorrow is it will start making spikes, that is upside and downside will start making spikes, and this is basically a tug of war happening between buyers and sellers now. So what will we do is we again have our levels marked. Okay, if it crosses below $86.20, I'll be shorting it. Buying is up again the same, $88.20 will be buying it on the top. Okay, so this is the view for the US oil too. If you see, we have 4 stocks for swing trading. Guys, so I'm planning to make video on Friday, like a wrap up video, like what has actually happened, what all we have seen, the swing trading, what was the result. So I'm planning to make a wrap up video, like how many percentage did it give, did it hit a stop loss, or did it hit a target, so that kind of a video. So from this Friday we'll be starting to posting that too. That we call as a wrap up video, the weekly wrap up. So we'll definitely look into that too. This is called as shipping CP India. Okay, so this is a good stock. which is on an uptrend, which was consolidating for a very very long time. Okay, it consolidated for a very long time. If you see on a weekly time frame, it consolidated for almost, I'll show you, 900 days. Okay, almost 900 days of consolidation, and after that it broke its high, all time high. Now it's up. Okay, here again it's consolidating. Where will I enter? What will be my entry? Is my entry will be at 166, or I will enter here also. That is on this trend line. I will enter here. That is on 146. So stop loss is subjective. You should always plan under a swing, so your stop loss doesn't get hit frequently. Okay, under my, this is the swing. So I know that's a big stop loss. I know that's a very big stop loss. So I'll wait for it to, this is also another swing, but will I consider this? No. So I want the market to come here, so I buy it, and this will be my stop loss. Okay, and this will be my target, first target. But 1:1.8 is really not a good target, so it's better to avoid this and trade here, or wait for it to create a proper swing here, so we have a good stop loss level, and then we can buy it on the upper side. Yeah, so this is for SCI. Next, NFL, National Fertile. Okay, National Fertile Limited. National Fertile Limited has given a breakout on a weekly time frame. Okay, in a weekly time frame, it's forming a pennant. Okay, this is called as a bullish pennant. This pattern is called as, where will I buy? Do you see this confluence here? On a weekly time frame, resistance, resistance, resistance broken. Go to daily time frame. Has it broken? Not exactly. It's still on the level, so it has to break this level, and it has to sustain one more candle or two more candle. Then I'll be looking forward to buy. Okay, so my targets will be, this will be the first target, that is 85 rupees. Second target will be this, 89 rupees. So this is about NFL. So it has to let it break and sustain, guys. Let it break and create one or two more candles, and then we can enter. Then I will enter. Okay, so no hurry in this, no rush in this. Let it actually do, because see, it is a very, what to say, it keeps giving very weird moves. Okay, so let it be on hold. Next is Southern Petrochemic. Southern Petrochemic also is the same scene. That is, it is breaking up. Alright, so Southern Petrochem is again making a triangle here. Okay, so this is a very strong resistance, guys. This is a very strong resistance. People who want to enter it safely, that is, who want to enter it safely, can enter above this, that is above 87 rupees. They can enter, and they can keep a stop loss of this. Or people who are okay with entering on the breach, that is breakout, can enter here tomorrow if they see a good bullish move. Okay, if I see one more candle forming here, I will enter here. This will be my stop loss, this will be my take profit. Okay, will enter here, this will be my stop loss, my take profit. But I want one or two candles here to sustain, only then I'll enter, or else I'm not entering, or else I'm not interested at all, because there is a high probability it might hit the resistance and go down. It is uptrend. Okay, it is in an uptrend, but you should see probability. Why is this a safe spot? Because we see space. Simple. It's because we see space upside. Do you see there is no resistance here? So what we can do is we can trail it and go here. If you enter here, if it breaks out, comes for a retest, enter with the full quantity, and if it goes, let it run. These kind of stocks will make fortune. You have to understand that clearly. Next is Madras Fertilizers. Madras Fertilizers is a very very good stock. I've been trading this for very long time now. It's a very good stock, but what is the level? Yeah, I've already marked the level and kept. This is the resistance zone. So if it breaches 85 rupees, I'll buy it. It is on an uptrend. It is on a good uptrend. Let's see, even our EMAs, let's plot our EMAs also and see. That is okay. Both are here. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. If it crosses this level, then we will buy, or we are not interested. Okay, so I hope you guys got to learn something from this video. So this is my view on market. This is not a tip or advice or anything. This is just my view, how I trade the markets, how I view the market for tomorrow, and what will be my actions. So please take this as a reference, and please like, share, and subscribe. Show your support so it's easy for me to stay motivated and give you more content. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.